And Awesome here to review a polybag, a city polybag. And here's our minifigure. Get a police officer. He's wearing black. He's got a white helmet and a clear visor. Got back printing, the words police there, and you can see his belt. Take off the helmet, and you get a good cocky face there of an officer. I'll zoom in the face a little. Get a closer look. Got a badge. Really nice minifigure. This face is, I've seen it in other city sets, but if you never had this face of a Lego minifigure, I recommend I get it, and it's a cheap set. It's like $4. Here is this helicopter. You get some extra pieces, which I think I put some there. Get the propellers, and right here too. I guess you get like a little to shoot, and here's another walkie-talkie. Got a steering wheel. And it just opens pretty easily. Just take that part out, or yeah, that comes out if you want to put the minifigure in there. You get this cool clear piece, which I think it's kind of rare, but I think it's cool. I think I only had a couple of these. So you get a nice minifig. Holds a nice helicopter. This came out this year, 2012, and yeah, it cost like $4. I think $4.30, something like that. I don't remember. Yeah, this face is just really cool. I think it looks different from other minifigs that you get in City. You kind of get the same faces. This is completely new. I also seen the face in other sets, but I don't remember the sets. Yeah. Thanks for watching.